Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Shadow PC error code vd-100. The error reads, "An unknown issue happened. Restart the app if the issue remains." As per our research, the error occurs when users try to launch the Shadow PC app and connect their account. Some users have reported that the error appeared suddenly, even though the app was working fine before. According to our research, there is no official explanation for the error, but it seems to be a temporary issue that may be resolved by restarting the app or waiting for some time. Now let's move on to the possible fixes for this error. The first thing you should try is completely closing the Shadow PC app and reopening it. This has worked for some users, so give it a try and check if the error still comes. If restarting the app doesn't help, reboot your PC along with your router. Once both devices restart, try launching the Shadow PC app again and see if the error persists. If you still receive the error, our advice is to wait for a few hours and try again. Sometimes these issues resolve on their own. However, if the error persists for an extended period, then we suggest you reach out to Shadow support and report the issue for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.